Hi, this is Esther Young. Today I'm going to show you how to add new parameters in a family. So right now we're just in a family setting, and this is basically just a table. And under this tab, the family types, you can see it has the basic parameters for the finishes and materials, dimension, and nothing else from what I can see. Oh, there you go, I have the identity data. So if we want to add new parameters, basically just this button, and you can do just a family parameter or a share parameter. Share parameter, which means you already have a set of template basically that you can load in. Usually some companies will set up so that they have a master parameters that you can plug in when they create new families. That way a lot of time can be saved. For this example, I'll just do family for parameters. And let's say I want to be very specific with the radius of table legs, and it will be width, and under dimension it will be a, let's say, just type, and common. Then I hit OK. So under dimension, what I type in has been added. This is the first step of creating a parameter, but we still need to link it back to the family, which I will show in the next video. So, see ya.